Hey friends, good to see you here. Today we're going straight to the heart. The topic is what true love really is. Not fairy tales. Not perfect Instagram pictures. Real love. The kind you can build, grow, and trust. I'll keep it simple and strong so you can remember it and live it. Think of this as your main points, only guide you can return to any time your mind feels confused and your heart needs clarity. Choice over feeling. True love is first a decision, then a feeling. Feelings rise and fall. Choices create stability. You choose to show up, to be kind, to keep your word, especially on ordinary days. When attraction cools or stress hits, the choice to love is what protects the relationship until the feelings warm up again. Practice this daily by asking, what loving action can I choose now? Respect as the foundation. True love never uses control, insults, or humiliation. It doesn't spy, threaten, or test. It treats you like a full person with a voice, time, and dreams. Respect shows up in small moments, listening without interrupting, speaking without sarcasm, and keeping private things private. If respect disappears, love begins to starve. Protect respect like oxygen. Safety in words and hands. True love is safe to be near. It does not yell, shove, slam doors, or break things to scare you. It doesn't use silence as punishment. It is safe to tell the truth, safe to show weakness, safe to make mistakes and repair. If you are scared in your own relationship, that isn't love. It's a signal to set boundaries and get help. Safety is non-negotiable. Honesty with kindness. True love tells the truth without cruelty. It doesn't hide messages, double lives, secret debt, or secret flirting. It says hard things with a soft voice and clear words. It owns mistakes quickly and fixes them. Honesty builds trust. Trust builds freedom. Freedom lets love breathe. Make a habit of simple truth. Here is what I feel. Here is what I need. Here is what I can do. Consistency over intensity. True love is less about grand gestures and more about daily care. Quiet check-ins. Remembering small details, doing the chore without being asked, turning up on time. The little steady things are the big things because they tell your nervous system, I can relax here. Romance is beautiful. Reliability is irresistible. Growth partners, not jailers. True love makes you larger, not smaller. It cheers your progress, challenges you gently, and claps for your wins. It doesn't insist you stay the same to keep someone comfortable. You both evolve, you both learn, you both push each other toward your better selves. A simple practice. Ask each other monthly, what's one way I can support your growth this month? Healthy boundaries. True love includes no. Space is part of connection. Time alone, time with friends, privacy with your phone and journal, and limits around work, money, and favors. These protect the relationship from exhaustion and resentment. Boundaries say, I'm responsible for me, you're responsible for you, and we choose to meet in the middle. Repair fast and well. True love is not fight-free, it's repair-rich. You will misunderstand each other. The test is how quickly you return to soft hearts and clear plans. Good repair sounds like, I'm sorry for my tone. Here, what I'll do differently. Then you change one small behavior. No scorekeeping. No, you always. Fix the moment and build the system that prevents repeat damage. Team over drama. True love stands on the same side, facing the problem together. You plan money as a team, make decisions as a team, handle stress as a team. You don't weaponize secrets or embarrass each other in public. You use we more than me. The rule is simple. Protect each other in public, correct each other in private, and choose the relationship over the argument. Listening that lands. True love listens to understand, not to win. You mirror back what you heard before offering your view. If I'm hearing you right, you're worried about the cost and the time. This lowers defenses and builds trust. Ask, do you want comfort or solutions? Then give what they asked for. Feeling understood is the doorway to feeling loved. Gratitude and appreciation. True love notices effort and says thank you often. Specific praise makes people bloom. Thank you for handling dinner when I was tired lands 10 times stronger than thanks. Gratitude redirects your attention to what's working and makes both of you want to give more. A daily 30-second, What I appreciate about you, ritual can transform the tone of the whole home. Friendship plus desire, true love weaves laughter, inside jokes, kindness, and attraction. Friendship keeps you close when life is heavy. Desire keeps the spark alive as seasons change. Flirt a little, touch a little. Keep dating each other in small ways, a walk, a shared snack, a short note. You don't need expensive nights, you need intentional moments. Shared values and clear agreements. True love runs on alignment. You don't have to be identical, but you need compatible values about honesty, money, family, faith, lifestyle, and conflict. Make simple agreements you can see and measure. What honesty means to you, how you handle passwords, what financial transparency looks like, how you fight fair. Agreements remove guesswork. Clarity is love. Service without scorekeeping. True love gives because it wants to, not to win points. You take turns carrying the heavier bag. You help when the other is weak. You do the thing you're stronger at without bitterness. If scorekeeping starts, talk early. Rebalance with calm numbers and fair plans. Equality is a feeling, not always a 50-50 split every day. Rituals and rhythms. True love is strengthened by predictable anchors. Weekly check-ins, shared meals, a walk after dinner, a no-phones hour, a monthly money talk, a quarterly dream date. Rituals protect connection from the storms of busy life. They make intimacy automatic. Put them on the calendar like important meetings, because they are. Self-love first. True love includes loving yourself. You can't pour from an empty cup. Sleep, water, movement, therapy if needed, friends you trust, a life you enjoy, these make you a better partner. When you're well, you can listen, give, and play. When you're burnt out, every small issue becomes huge. Caring for you is caring for the relationship. Courage to face truth. True love is brave. It speaks when something feels off. It ends what is harmful. It seeks help when stuck. It doesn't pretend to be perfect. It chooses to be honest. Sometimes the bravest love is letting go with respect when values cannot align or safety is broken. Truth, even when it hurts, is kinder than a beautiful lie. If you remember nothing else, remember this. True love is a daily practice of respect, safety, honesty, consistency, growth, boundaries, repair, teamwork, listening, gratitude, friendship, aligned values, generous service, steady rituals, self-care, and courage. It's not magic. It's choices. Make those choices in small ways every day, and love will feel less like a mystery and more like a home you both build. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.